Hi, I'm Patrick, scored 100 percentile in CAT 6 times. This specific video is basically if you're planning to start with CAT preparation in the month of August, from the month of August. Now, this video is only for the con section. I'll have a separate video for DILR and the verbal section. So, let's start with. So, daily plan. Technically, if you're starting from now, for con section, you require 3 to 5 hours daily. You require more time for con because con syllabus is a little bit more as compared to others. Around 10 to 15 minutes of mental calculations is what is recommended. Syllabus. So ideally you should try to complete the syllabus mid to end September. This is a basic deadline where you need to try to complete so that you have time for the mocks and analysis because that is very important. So when you're completing the syllabus, just focus on understanding fundamentals. Don't go too deep into it. Don't try to get frustrated because you're not solved enough sums. If you can understand the basic fundamentals, I think that should suffice as far as right now syllabus preparation is concerned. You can prepare more when you're looking at the second stage of preparation, but now fundamentals. Solve easy sums. Need not solve tough sums as of now. We are looking at fundamentals to focus on trying to complete a syllabus by knowing each topic properly. Maybe normally what happens in the CAT exam, our focus should be to try to solve easy ones and leave the tough ones. I'm not saying don't practice the tough ones, but let's try to focus and complete a syllabus. Only then will we be able to reach the second stage of solving mocks, and that will help us to learn more and prepare better. So we can do it during the mock stage. Ensure that you keep your deadlines. Okay, I mean if you said I'll complete a chapter in 2 days, ensure that you keep it. It's very tempting that to take 1 day extra. We feel no, we have not covered sufficient. Let's do a little bit more. It's tempting, but it's not advisable. It's important to try to complete a chapter in whatever deadline is possible, whatever is given to you. If you're not comfortable with any specific topic, understand it's very difficult to master any topic in DCAT, even if it's an easy topic. There will always be some which you cannot solve. You can always come back to those topics later on after completing the syllabus. So when you're doing the mock stage, you can come for revision back to a topic. But right now, focus on completing the syllabus. As I said, we need to get into the mock stage as early as possible. This has given you a rough breakup. If you're starting from August beginning, say you have 50 days to complete a syllabus, I'm broken up into two types of. One is this and one more plan if you're starting from August mid. So this is a tentative time you can give for each topic. I've broken them into 21 topics. The tentative time you can give for each topic for completing the syllabus. Okay, so for example, number system may seem to be very vast, but most of the things are not used in the examination. The basic fundamentals, if you know, is fine. You can leave out something which is very complicated or which you don't understand. Same with functions. If you open the topic of functions, the theory is too much. You can skip all the theory, just understand the fundamentals. I think that should suffice. Similarly, if you're looking from August mid or end to start the syllabus, technically you should try to complete in 40 days. I've given one day for some topics, assuming that you're comfortable with profit and loss and interest, which you've done in school, try to complete 1 day. Even if you're starting from August start, you can follow the syllabus provided you feel you're fundamentally good with mathematics. If not, then follow the first schedule. Right? So broadly speaking, how much you should plan for each topic and practice and solve. So this is a breakup of the number of days based on the importance of a topic and other aspects. Syllabus. As I said, try to stick to your schedule as far as possible when you're completing the syllabus. You can come back to a topic during revision. Don't try to extend the days. Now the normal mistakes that people do when solving the quant, they spend too much time on one topic. So if you have a topic, because we feel that we're not comfortable with the complete, we tend to extend the time spent on the topic. Avoid that. If you're finished, try to complete the syllabus. Don't try to master the topic. No one can. I have solved so many questions anyway. I am not confident I can master any particular topic. Just try to solve as much possible. Focus on quantity rather than quality is a mistake that students do. Don't focus on solving too many sums. Solving too many sums at the same time doesn't matter. Try to focus on quality. Try to understand the sum that is solved. Try to understand the fundamentals that is solved, how it is solved, what it is solved. So even if you solve less sums, if you know the basic fundamentals, that should help. Spending too much time on tough sums. So people come across tough sums and keep trying to solve. It is no point trying to solve tough sums and spending a lot of time on it. Okay, if you just look at the solution, go ahead, that's fine. There are people who spend 20 minutes to half an hour on one sum, on tough sum, but that is a mistake. Specifically, if you're starting it so late, I would not recommend it because any tough sum you are anyway supposed to leave in the exam. There's no point spending a lot of time on a question. Practice and solve concepts are not expected in CAP. So there are a lot of these theorems, remainder theorem, binomial theorem, Bayes system, trigonometric formula. They don't come in the CAT exam. There's no point trying to spend time on these topics. Basic way to understand is your school syllabus. If anything is there in your school syllabus, that is part of syllabus, else is not there. So don't get into too exotic formulas or big formulas, etc. They don't come in the exam. Next video, I'll make a video for DLR, schedule for DLR. You can go to those topics. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you.